Hello everybody, today we will be going over Newton's second law of motion and how it applies to PvP in Minecraft. A big thing about PvP is knockback. Knockback is the distance something travels after being hit. Knockback is really important in PvP because the more knockback that you deal, or the more knockback your enemy takes, the higher chance you have at getting a combo on them. So a big part of PvP is trying to maximize the amount of knockback that you deal while minimizing the amount of knockback your enemy deals. So, realization is that knockback is actually directly correlated to acceleration. As a reminder, acceleration is the change of speed or the change in velocity of an object. So, knockback and acceleration are related because if you think about it, when something takes knockback, it's actually changing direction or changing speed. So, the more acceleration there is, the more knockback you deal. So, the question is, how can we get our enemy to have more acceleration? Well, that's where Newton's second law comes in, because Newton's second law tells us that the more force you apply to an object, the more acceleration there is. It also tells us that the more mass there is, the less acceleration that the object will have. Now, mass isn't really relevant in Minecraft, but force is the main factor that we are going to be talking about today. So, how can we deal more force? Well, we can deal more force by moving faster. So, I'm going to demonstrate this using 3 examples. And so first, I will spawn a zombie right here, and I will hit it once while standing still, and then see how far it goes. And then I will spawn another zombie and hit it once while sprinting. So, because I will be moving faster, I will put more force into my hit, and the zombie should move farther, or the zombie should have more acceleration. Now, for the last one, I'm going to be hitting the zombie twice, which in of itself means that I will be applying more force to the zombie while sprinting, which also means there will be more force behind my hits. So, I'm going to do that now. So the zombie traveled up to here, so I am going to label that as standing still, 1 hit. So the zombie moved to here, this line. So I will mark that as running, 1 hit. So I did go a little over, but these zombie went about, well, it's clearly in this block, so I'm going to actually put it 2 hits running. So, and then I'm just going to change this line real quick so that it is accurate to this video. So that is how you can use knowledge of Newton's second law to deal the most knockback and have the advantage in PvP in Minecraft.